Hello, everybody. I listen Bunny 99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for another video. Welcome back, guys. Sorry I had not to make videos much lately because my daily schedule for every Monday to Fridays had changed on me. It's keep me busy, yes. And right now, I also good news is I quickly done my last other two wizard team got removed 2 days ago. It means I quickly done. All my 4 wizard team are gone. And now the focus you gotta do. And so did I. So we here not talk about how my update's been doing as a what you real quick. However, let's focus on the video game lesson. Oh, remember, all these video in this lesson are spoiler ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watching this video. Now, we're not going to wasting our time. Keep an eye on the name of the game and the date by different game console when it came out. So, let's get going. Today, we learn about this game console. It looked very different. Oh my. Steven, my old friend of mine. Hold on. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't. Was worried. Oh, yes. We worried about today's game console. So, here we are. There was a lot of them. See, the ears are quite different by the different games console. Yeah, there you go. I always said a lot of time, check your eye out on it. Or you see the ear or something like that. I see the list of any game console along with it. It depends. Okay, that's it for this one. See you next video.